Hey guys, okay, today's short video is on indices. A lot of people are always like, what are indices? What is US 30? What is NAS 100? What is S&P? So as you can see, I'm looking at a chart right now, and this is dirty US 30. I love US 30. It is an indice, it's an index. What does that mean? All right, let's back up. All right. Now, you can trade indices in the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is the largest market in the world. $6.6 trillion per day are exchanged. So many people are not aware of the foreign exchange market because they've never been able to participate. It's not dinner conversation at your household or within your family, right? I'm not insulting anybody. I'm just saying a lot of people aren't aware of it. But regardless to if we're aware of it or not, it still exists. It's still the largest market in the world, and a lot of people are getting paid every single day, several times a day, because of the foreign exchange market. Forex is not a scam. It's not a fake thing. It's not an MLM. Forex is a real market. And every time you buy something from Amazon, 9 times out of 10, you are participating in the foreign exchange market. How? Because countries operate off of currency, right? The majority of the people watching this video or who I'm speaking to are Americans. You are in America, you use US dollar. But guess what? That's not what goes down in Europe, right? That's not what goes down in Great Britain. That's not what goes down in Nairobi, Kenya. That's not even necessarily what goes down in Mexico. Every country has their own currency. This is how our world operates, okay? So every country has their own currency, and this is how we are able to stabilize and build our economies. So when you are buying something from China, just because you paid in US dollars does not mean that that's the Chinese currency. There is a conversion that has to take place. And that's what the foreign exchange market is. It's currency exchange. You're exchanging one currency for another. Largest market in the world. And now that you know a little bit more about it, I hope that it makes sense why this is the largest market in the world, because these transactions are happening all the time. I'm sure you have something in your house that says made in China or made in Indonesia. Now let's talk about indices in the foreign exchange market. Now, indices, US 30, S&P, NAS 100, these are actually stocks, okay? But in the foreign exchange market, they are packaged as an index. And guess what? You can trade them and you can get paid. US 30 is a beautiful, beautiful thing, but she is very volatile. So you really have to study and know how US 30 moves. So I have something called the Breakfast Club, and we trade US 30. And we love trading US 30. To put things into perspective, let's say I was trading a regular currency, the euro and the US dollar. And let's say, for 10 pips, I got $1, right? Well, that same 10 pips on US 30 or an indice is more than likely, depending on the broker, gonna pay me $10 instead of $1. That's a major game changer, okay? And it moves very fast, okay? But just like you can make money fast, you can lose money fast. So you really have to know what you're doing. But in a nutshell, that is what indices are. Okay. They're stocks that you're trading in the Forex market as an index, and they pay very well. It is a skill worth learning. You want $1 or you want $10, right? And then you can continue to multiply that up depending on how you funded your account. But I highly recommend that people who like to trade in the foreign exchange market learn indices. And the thing about indices, because they move so fast and because they pay so much, you don't have to take a lot of trades. You can literally do one trade a day, meet your goal, and go on with your life. Now, isn't that a beautiful thing? So learn more about indices. We teach indices every morning. Get with us. I want to provide you with a mentor. Your mentor is going to walk you through the steps of becoming a successful trader and really launch you into your destiny. Guys, have a great day. I hope that was helpful.